Hands down. Good job. Okay, now you're going to try to make her trot. Okay, hands forward, squeeze with your legs, cluck and kick. Hands down.
Sorry, I'm scared.
Keep her going. You're trouble. You're trouble. All right, make her listen. You need to shorten your reins. Okay. Let's shorten your reins a bit. Both sides.
Hey, stop it.
No nibbles. No nibbles. All right. Good. Squeeze and kick. Cluck. Hands down, hands forward. There you go. Kick.
Slicker.
There you go. Sonora Sal. Come on, Steeker. Hands down and forward so she's not confused.
I don't want to get by those thorny things. Come on, Sonora, we can do this. There's no thorns.
Hands down. Remember, your hands should not be going way above where your chest area is. Okay? All right, so do that same circle, and I want to see you trot her, okay? Good. Hands forward. Good. Keep them forward. Kick and cluck. Come on. Come on. Kick and cluck, Levita. Good.
Stop her.
You know how to stop her? Gently. Good job.
I love riding my pony.
Yeah?
Let's keep riding.
Okay, so here's a little tip. When you're trotting her, good girl, Nora. When you're trotting her, you don't need to lean forward and hug her neck, okay? You just hold on with your legs. Let me feel you squeeze. Yeah, that's how you hold on. Okay, and you stay centered right here. You don't need to lean forward.
Got it.
Let's try again. We're gonna turn around. And we're gonna trot. Hang on, Levita. Hands forward. Good. Good job.